Bagul, and today I am talking about the meditation. A very interesting topic. Many people they do not understand the reality of the meditations. Many people they have their different belief system. They have different process about the meditations. Now people they do not understand exactly, and that's why they scared for the meditations. Meditation is a natural process. If you understand properly the meaning of meditations, then you can definitely do in the process of natural meditations. Friends, today I am talking about the realistic meditations, which is very important, which I learned throughout my life, which I read, which I understand, which I meditate, and which I am personally doing. Friends, I am experiencing the natural meditations, which is really very important. Now friends, understanding about the meditation is exactly what we must understand few things about before the starting the process of meditations. What we want to understand, we want to understand the external and internal world first, how our body is connected with the external world by this five sense organ. You can say this five sense organ is also the output or input devices which sending the informations to the mind for actions. But if you understanding the five sense organ exactly what, our eyes collecting the informations, our sound has been collected by our ear, nose, smell, tongue, taste, and skin, the feelings. Friends, all this information is collected by our five sense organ and sending to the mind. Friends, mind is what exactly collecting all the informations and divided into different sockets, which is called as the memory. Friends, which is collected by this five sense organ. Scientists says that more than 1.5 million information has been collected by our sense organ in one event. Friends, but all the information is not going to send to our mind. Why? Because some has been deleted, some has been distorted, friends, and some information has been generalized properly. Now mind is what exactly is a factory to create the thoughts. Mind has been creating thoughts, and scientists says that mind per day has been created near about more than 60,000 thoughts per day. That means 27 to 30 thoughts per minute. If you're understanding the mind properly, friends, mind is a very busy entity. And all together, if you see that our body, mind, intellectual, and five sense organs always involving in the process of meditations. All together, if they involve in the one process, they can perform the natural meditations as well, friends. But before understanding this, we have to understand how mind is work, how intellectual is work. All the information which is collected by our five sense organ sending to the mind, and mind has sent all these informations to where? To intellectual for taking the decision. Intellectual is a very busy entity, friends, because intellectual has decided for which information is accepted and which information is rejected. The information is accepted for the actions, that's why the body has taken the actions. If you find these four important organs, you can say four important entity involving together in the process of meditations. If you see that these four, your body, your mind, your intellectual, and your five sense organ, all together working for the same objective, working for the same work, working for the same passion, friends, that happens in meditations naturally. I'm just putting one example of Thomas Alva Edison. When he was working for the searching or for invention the filament for the bulb, what he was doing, he was working for 7 days, 8 days, 9 days. He was forgetting for taking the meal even, friends. He was so busy with his inventions, and at last he was invented this filament. On his name 1063 patent has been recorded, friends. You can understand how busy he was. But you do not understand one thing. His passion is what? To invent something. If you understand his body, his mind, his intellectual, and his five sense organ busy with the one work, busy with the one invention, busy with the one passion, busy with the one creativity, friends, that is called as the natural meditations. Similarly, the second example I want to give you, but before that, friends, Thomas Alva Edison said once, imagination power is more powerful than education power. So whatever you imagine, that will happen actually in the world, friends. So, what will happen in the meditations if your body, your mind, intellectual, and five sense organ all together working for the same objective, working for the same creativity, working for the same work, stuck with the same work, friends? That is called as the natural meditations. If you understand this properly, I just put out another example of Lord Buddha. Lord Buddha's body, mind, intellect, and five sense organs were working only meditations, are the natural meditations, that is for peace, working for the peace, love, forgiveness, all these things. These are the central core qualities. We have given the second example of Lord Mahavir. He was also stuck with the same objectives, calling the natural meditations, friends. And at the same time, Swami Vivekananda is also having the same concentration power, because his body, mind, intellectual, and five sense organs stuck with the one objectives. Friend, just find out within yourself what is your passion. Is it meditation your passion? No, friends. Your passion is your work. Whatever work you are doing, your hobby, your inventions, your creativity, anything else, that is your passion. If your passion is there, your body, mind, intellectual, and five sense organ busy with one work only. That is called as the natural meditation. It is a process, friends. So if you are working regularly and forgetting anything, forgetting for taking the meals even, friends, you forget, there is no distractions at all. So that is called as the natural meditations. Friends, if you understand this properly, apply this principle in your life, find out the passion within yourself, friends, and you can understand these things, then definitely you will love your work. This is the natural meditations which I understand in my life. That is my perspective, friends, about the meditations. If you like this information, please press the button of like. Don't forget to add the comment, because your comment always motivated and inspire me. Friends, number is flashing, so you can call me for seminar, workshop, and counseling. And friends, if you are coming for the first time and do not subscribe my channel, so press the red button of subscribes and pull bell icon, so that you will get my interesting, informative, and creative video, friends. Meet you again in the next video. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.